everyone, in today's lesson I'm going to be figuring a song out by ear. The song is called Luna Mezzo Mare. I was just watching the Godfather movie again, and it's the song from the wedding scene. It's a real festive Italian song. Now in this lesson I'm just going to go through the steps and think out loud as I'm figuring the song out by ear. All of the techniques that I'm using, plus sheet music for the song, are on my website, accordionlove.com. That's where there are lessons for every song that we do in this channel. You could sign up for a free 3-day trial. With that out of the way, let's figure the song out. So I've been obsessed with the song since I saw the movie again, and I'm following the steps of figuring a song out by ear. So what I've been doing for the last 4 or 5 days is listening to the song non-stop. I've been listening to the version from The Godfather where they're just bits of the song. I've been YouTubing different versions of the song. So the song, this version that we're gonna be listening to, that I'm gonna be figuring it out from, I've listened to another version by Lou Monte. I've listened to 2 live performances. And again, it's constantly in my head. I had a friend over for dinner last night and I played it for him, and I was trying to sing the song in Italian, and I'm dancing with my kid to the song, so that step has been satisfied. What does that mean? I can now sing the song in my head. Pretty much all the parts. So I wanted to do those steps first before picking up the accordion. Now, as a disclaimer, I haven't listened to the song and tried to play it. My friend was asking me to yesterday, but I told him I'd rather record the video and kind of do it in the first try without cheating. So, the song's in my head, I've been listening to it. I'll link to the songs in the description or in the corner. Let's listen to the song, and I'm going to try and figure out the chords. So first let's figure out the key. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, amazing, C major, right? Do, 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 do. Yeah, that sounds right. C. So, what does that mean? What did I do? I'm listening to the song. Don't really care about the melody. I'm just trying to figure out what key is the song in. Listening to it, and you saw I started at A, didn't work, D didn't work, G didn't work, but it was close. C was the next one, just going down the row. And it's a major. If I tried a minor... No, it's not a minor song. It's a happy major song. So I'm going to listen to it and see where the chord changes to. I have an idea of it's going to go probably to the F or the G. Again, singing the song in my head and anticipating where that chord changes, and then I'm assuming it's going to go to the G. So let's listen. Right? It changed to the G. I'm listening without playing over the music, and just there where the chord change happened, I'm becoming as loud as the song to see if that's the right chord change. And it is. So we went C major, C major, C major to G major. Now, the song has slight variations in the different versions that I've listened to, but I'm going to go by this one. I'm assuming now it's going to go back to C. Rewind. Back to C. Now it repeats. Good, so that's the verse. Now, what I was doing there was the next step in learning a song, which is trying to match the right hand chords to what my left hand is doing. And again, what that lets me do is, A, do I know the chords in the song? Yes, I know a C major and I know a G major. And do I know how to switch from one to the other? So C major, ba ba da 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 la 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 la. I need to find a variation of G. I'm using this form because it's close to the C. If you don't know that variation of G, jump down to this G or up to this G, right? And now we go to the chorus. I'm not concentrating on the melody yet, I'm just concentrating on the chords because those will help me in determining what the melody is. The melody usually centers around the chords. It's gonna go to the F. Good. So that's the song in terms of chords. The chorus, and again, this is a lot easier because I'm singing the song in my head. It's not my first time listening to the song. I've done some other figuring it out by ear where this process takes longer. Here I'm able to play along with the song because I know the song. So the chorus went da 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 C7 da da F major, C major to G to the C. Again, 3 chords in the song, 3 most popular chords, C, F, G, right at 1, 4, 5. And it's a folk song, it's a happy song. That's what we expect from the song. I expect that the melody will also be very straightforward. Now, figuring out the melody may be harder for me because it's in Italian, so it's hard for me to sing along, but I could do la da 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 da, which is, hi da 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 ba ba ba, right? Those little pops. And that goes back to learning a song in terms of finding out the little things that happen in the song, the little, what did I call them? The little repetitive things, the patterns, that's what it is. And I can already think of the patterns in the verse. So la 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 la. A lot of triplets and doubles. Do 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 do. So let's figure out the melody. I'll rewind. This is the intro. I don't really care about it. What it is pa 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 pa. I can improvise over that. You know what? Because I know the words, I've been listening to it for so long, I could probably figure out the song now. So how do my fingers land on the melody? So obviously I've been playing the accordion for a long time and I've studied piano too, but the chords are dictating the melody. So that little walk down, da 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 da, is F, D, B, G, which is our G7, right? How come it goes and not or ta? Because it changes to a G and we go G, D, because D is in a G. If you have questions about this, obviously it does take time and practice. But again, on my website, accordionlove.com, I have whole lessons on how to build chords, majors and minors, and progressions and how to practice them, your arpeggios and your triads. This is all very doable, especially for a straightforward song like this. I'll try and play the whole song. That's not the point of this lesson. I just wanted to walk you through the process of figuring a song out by ear. But let's try it. I kicked it up to D major and had a little improvisation. Anyways, super awesome song. If you need the sheet music and the lesson, they'll be up on accordionlove.com. Yeah, give it a try on your own songs. Again, the most important step and the prep that I did before recording this video is I listened to the song non-stop at home, in the car, via Bluetooth, for 4 or 5 days. I'm sure my wife and kids are sick of the song, but now I'm able to play it, and it's going to stick with me. I don't need the sheet music. I think it's a healthy way of learning a song. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you.